In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can share your Apple Watch activity with your friends. So first things first here, go to your iPhone or iOS device, go to the fitness app or activity app here, and you're going to see something at the very bottom that says sharing. It's got the two little people icon there. Go ahead and go to sharing, and you should see something here that says invite or enable. Go ahead and tap that initial button here to go ahead and start the process. Now, if you wanted to, you could invite people directly from your iPhone. In the upper right-hand corner here under sharing, you'll see the option again with the two people as well as the gear icon. Tap on that option there. It will let you know that you can go ahead and invite a friend. So go ahead and tap on invite a friend and then go ahead and select that person from your contact list here on your iPhone. Now, if you want to do it over on your watch, I'm going to show you how to do that now. Here we are on your watch. Go ahead and tap into the activity rings here on your watch. Once you're here under activity rings, you'll see something here in the lower left-hand corner. It'll look like the little people or share icon here. Tap on that option there. And then once you're here, you'll see if you're sharing with anyone, you'll see them listed here, as well as the ability to invite others. So you can tap invite here and then select from a list of contacts and people that you are connected with. This will show you all of their activity if they accept it. You can also go in here and do competitions throughout the week. You can remove the friend directly by tapping on their name once you begin sharing activity with them, and you can even hide. You can always hide that as well. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.